everyone, I'm Will, and before I get on to it, remember to like and subscribe and comment down below, and don't forget to press that notification bell down below. Today I am going to show you how to identify wild lettuce of the rosette, because it's a biannual in mid-March, and so it's late winter. So here's some snow right there. So I'm going to show you right over here. There's some wild lettuce. With this species of wild lettuce, it's Lactuca Canadesis. This species I recommend using for culinary uses. At the end of the video, I'll link 2 videos at the end of this for how to identify this species of wild lettuce and how to cook this species of wild lettuce. Now, this species of wild lettuce, when it's in the small rosette in mid-March with the snow moved out of the way, the leaves are going to be somewhere in between a ½ inch, what I'm seeing on these, to about 2 inches. The larger leaves would have gone through decomposition. In words of that, right here is a leaf that a larger one, just part of it left. That one died back. So that's a good identification with how to find some wild lettuce. So you want to look at the coloration, the serration. So there's points on this. More in depth of the other video on how to identify this. When the leaves are this small, they are going to be a little bit more rounder than the identification of the larger leaves. If you look closely, the crown is only a couple millimeters in diameter. These are very small plants, and that's going to be a very small crown, but that will increase over the next few weeks to about a few months. If you want to see more, go down in the description below, click the link to my channel, and subscribe. Press this round subscribe button right here. And if you want to see how to identify Lactuca Canadesis, click this video right here. And if you want to see how to cook Lactuca Canadesis, click this video right here. And remember, next time, to get outside, get fresh air, and have fun. See ya.